Learn Indonesian. Can you?
Bisakah Anda?
Welcome. Hi. This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more resources at www.synapse-lingo.com. Today you'll master the super useful polite request, can you? In Indonesian.
Bisakah Anda?
We'll learn it with everyday verbs and some quick, funny practice. Your goal today. You'll speak clearly and politely in seconds. By the end, you'll confidently ask for help. Can you? Equals.
Bisakah Anda?
Use it with.
Membantu.
Help.
Membuka.
Open.
Membawa.
Carry.
Menunjukkan jalan.
Show the way, plus the magic polite word.
Tolong.
Please. Forms and tone. Keep it classy, but know your options. Formal and safest.
Bisakah Anda?
Add.
Tolong.
For extra warmth. Very formal variant.
Dapatkah Anda?
Neutral.
Bisa.
Drop.
Anda.
Closing parenthesis dot. Casual, colloquial.
Bisa enggak?
Fun caution.
Bisa.
Can also mean snake venom in other contexts. Here it means can, able, not ouch. Mini dialogues. Act these out, repeat after me with confidence. On the bus, can you open the window?
Bisakah Anda?
Opening parenthesis.
Membuka.
Closing parenthesis.
Jendela.
Reply idea.
Tentu.
At work, can you help me with this?
Bisakah Anda?
Opening parenthesis.
Membantu.
Closing parenthesis.
Saya. Dengan ini.
Response.
Baik, saya bantu.
At the airport, can you carry this bag?
Bisakah Anda?
Opening parenthesis.
Membawa.
Closing parenthesis.
Tas ini.
Response.
Bisa, mari.
In the street, excuse me, can you show the way to the station?
Permisi, bisakah Anda?
Opening parenthesis.
Menunjukkan jalan.
Closing parenthesis.
Ke stasiun.
Helpful reply.
Tentu, ikuti saya.
Fun drill. Quick call and response. Say it out loud. You.
Bisakah Anda?
Opening parenthesis.
Membuka.
Closing parenthesis.
Jendela. Tolong.
You.
Bisakah Anda?
Opening parenthesis.
Membantu.
Closing parenthesis.
Saya.
You.
Bisakah Anda?
Opening parenthesis.
Membawa.
Closing parenthesis.
Tas ini.
Coach note. Keep your palm open and nod slightly. Friendly body language helps. Culture tip. Sound polite, not pushy. In Indonesia,
Anda.
Is formal and respectful, adding.
Tolong.
Softens the request. Pair your words with a small smile and an open palm gesture. And a funny mnemonic.
Bisa.
Means, can, here, but somewhere else it can mean, snake venom, so speak nicely or the cobra of grammar might hiss. Little rhyme.
Saat butuh bantuan berkata, bisakah Anda? Semua terasa mudah.
Sound game. Feel the beat and repeat. Soft beat. Ta-ta.
Bisakah Anda?
Ta-ta.
Bisakah Anda?
Tap the rhythm and say it 3 times. Quiz time. You got this. Answers after the pause. 1. What is the Indonesian polite phrase for, can you? Question mark quote. Answer.
Bisakah Anda?
2. Fill the blank. Underscore underscore underscore.
Menurunkan.
Closing parenthesis.
Volume.
Sedikit? Answer.
Bisakah Anda?
3. Which word means, please? Answer.
Tolong.
4. Say it. Can you show the way? Model.
Bisakah Anda?
Opening parenthesis.
Menunjukkan jalan.
Closing parenthesis dot. Challenge. Ready for real life? Today, ask at least one real person.
Bisakah Anda?
Opening parenthesis.
Membuka.
closing parenthesis,
jendela.
or,
Bisakah Anda
opening parenthesis,
menunjukkan jalan
closing parenthesis.
ke halte?
If no one's around, ask a smart speaker or a houseplant. Just don't expect it to.
Membawa tas.
Bonus. Record yourself once with
Tolong.
and once without and compare the tone. Wrap up. Fantastic job, keep going. Thanks for listening, keep practicing.
Bisakah Anda
With different verbs like
membantu, membuka, membawa,
and.
menunjukkan jalan?
For more tips, games, and transcripts, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. See you next time.